his 6th wicket.
ये बता ये आउट होना चाह रहे हैं दोनों.
Yeah, let's change the conditions. Let's try something else. That's what I've been saying throughout the day, because clearly it hasn't worked. It's interesting to hear what the Zimbabwean change room think, like what their vision is with these sort of conditions. Because it's their call at the end of the day.
More grass isn't necessary. That's brilliant. That is brilliant.
And the dreaded finger went up. And the Tories looking towards the dugout there. And the Tories looking towards the...
Oh, that's so... He just dropped in front of him. Tried his best. And Shahid Afridi annoyed, didn't show it. 9 overs have been completed.
इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया है पाकिस्तान कप के लिए, तो लिहाजा कप्तान और कोच ने अपनी अपनी टीम्स यहां पर सेलेक्ट की हैं. लिहाजा पंजाब के लिए चुना गया नसीर शफीक को.
और यहां पे 2 मरतबा कलाबाजी खा के गेंद को फील्ड करने में कामयाब हुए. अहमद शहजाद है. अहमद शहजाद हमेशा से ही क्राउड की अट्रैक्शन का. देखें इस तरह अहमद शहजाद ने 2 कलाबाजियां खाने के बाद इस गेंद में कंट्रोल हासिल किया. पहले फंबल कर गए, लेकिन अच्छी फील्डिंग अहमद शहजाद की जानिब से.
Goes for the big one once again, a big inside edge. Trying to hit it just a little too hard. Once again, the bat making a funny sound.
What was he doing, Yusuf, there? Let's have a look in a replay. He miscued the shot and went straight onto his tummy. Somewhere there. That hurts, promise you, that really hurts, Rambo.
That Wasim is certainly not his tummy.
I was being polite.
We all know how painful it is. That is all menfolk. 68 for 1.
In the air, keeper, we get it. Oh, he doesn't. Oh, what a let off. The man at square leg and the keeper looked at each other. That should have been taken. Beautifully bowled by Shoaib. He went from the hook shot. Square leg had a look. The keeper had a look. The captain saying, what's going on? Give me the ball.
Yeah, I thought it was square legs catch, actually. He started to go, but it must have been a call from the keeper because he stopped almost dead. He seemed to be on his way. Look at him there going at this stage, then slowed down. Keeper then on his way, but never really got there. Never comfortable, was he? Always a chance that one was going to go down. Well, that is a tragedy because Shoaib has charged in. He's set this up. Oh boy, he got his gloves to it as well.
Ball over the wicket to Umar Akmal and stay around to Misbah, because Umar can create that angle through the offside.
Two very good fielders down at long on and mid-wicket. One is Darren Sammy and one is Kyron Pollard.
The initial call from Misbah was for 2, and he's not happy with this running from Umar Akmal. He called for 2, Umar Akmal just he's literally cursing him. I wish I could translate what he just said.
That's not entirely out of the middle of the bat, but still good enough. Straight back for a single. How easily was that done by Irfan, just walking over the stumps without any fuss or problem.
It's bowling to a similar field that Mohammad Amir did bowl. Ouch.
That bounce probably would have hit me on my head. Yeah, have a look at this one. That's well done. It really was a good call from Irfan.
Yeah, just the 3 fielders in the circle. Shahid Afridi has to find another in. 4 required.
He has test runs. Outstanding. He might just get 1 unless he scurries. He gets there. He's got 2 to his name. So some personal history and a wicket in the over for Tim Southey and a beaming smile and a raise of the bat. It's 208 for 9.
That's fantastic. Always nice when you can have a bit of fun while you're out the middle. Let's have another look. Great way to get your career underway. He was in full control, just ran it to third man. Past Gully, Colin de Gronholm. And there it is. Raise your bat.
We're very cruel, aren't we? This is career wagon wheel.
It's high. Now someone's settling under it. And would you believe it? Really, would you believe that? Not if you saw it 15 times. Ajmal had a shocker the other night. He dropped Chandapur twice. What a gross error.
Shoaib Malik can't believe it. He should have really called aggressively. Ajmal there bailing out of the attempt. And then quarrelling with Shoaib Malik. Unbelievable.
Sohail Khan.
It's gone down the leg side. This could be 4 wides. It's going to be wide, surely. Or was it? No, runs. Umpire Richard Kettleburn. Afridi can't believe it either. A little inside edge on that.
Just sliding down the leg side with the wind pushing the ball across. There we can see it, just a little tickle. Picked himself up a boundary. Talking about how he was in to replace Phil, and they'll be hoping. Whoops! Hold on to those pens. Way! Cool. Picked himself up a boundary. Talking about how he was in to replace Phil, and they'll be hoping. Whoops! Hold on to those pens. Way!